What's it called? Trunk or treat. I'm dressing up.
What are you gonna be, Robin?
I'm gonna be Star Wars.
Star Wars, I love Star Wars.
Yeah.
What about a kid? Is anybody doing it?
Who
Is
else?
anybody dressing up?
Who's coming to the trunk or treat on Saturday? Okay. We
Ooh.
have hands all over the building.
Awesome.
Yeah, what are you gonna be, Caleb?
That's
Batman!
awesome.
Did you raise your hand, Kai? What? No? Okay. Did you?
That is so cool. All right, boys and girls, who's ready for the jokes?
Saturday. Okay, good. Oh, we were still seeing who's coming. Oh, monkey.
I said who's ready for the jokes?
Yeah!
That's what I'm talking about. Knock, knock.
Who is that?
Isabel.
Now who?
Isabel not working? And this door let me in.
No. Oh.
Knock, knock.
Who's that?
Doesn't anyone want to let me in?
Oh.
Oh man, these are cheesy like some pizza, Robin. What animal can you always find at a baseball game?
A bat.
Ooh, wow.
Good
How's that?
job. Good job,
Are
Kinley.
you using Google, Kinley?
No.
Okay. Why can't your hand be 12 inches long? Why can't your hand be 12 inches
Could it be a
long?
foot?
She's using Google. Someone get her phone. Someone get her
I
phone.
don't have
Why? Last one. Why are ghosts bad liars?
Ghost, Van Myers. Okay.
You can see right through this.
Oh, Zachary!
All right.
That was great. You guys did wonderful. Now, who's ready for the song? We'll get right to the show.
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay, you gotta sing with me or I'm falling asleep.
Uh-oh. All right.
Here we go. We're not here to cause no trouble. We're just here to do the monkey show. Say, ooh, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ooh, ah.
Way to go.
That was amazing, boys and girls. I got a couple friends to introduce today.
Oh, okay.
First, we got Billy Bob Joe.
Hey. Billy Joe.
And my other friend Ellie, boys and girls, give it up for Ellie.
Hi, guys.
Hello.
And the one and only owner of the shop down the road, Mr. Wilson's back, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello, everybody.
How's it going?
Hey.
And we got one more guest, but you'll see who it is later on.
Okay.
I'll be right back, boys and girls.
Okay.
Here comes Mr. Wilson. I'm gonna play a trick on him.
Oh boy.
This is gonna be fun.
Well, hi there, Billy Joe. What's up?
I'll tell you what's up, Smoke. I heard your store's on fire.
What? My store's on fire. Oh no, call 911. I've got to go.
Oh boy.
Did you see how fast Mr. Wilson took off? He thinks his store's on fire.
Well, he's gonna be.
Won't he be surprised when he finds out it was a joke?
Uh-oh.
Here comes Ellie. I'll prank her too. Watch this.
Hi, Billy.
Hi, Ellie. Your mom was looking for you.
Really?
She said she has a present for you.
That's awesome.
Yeah, a great big box with a big red bow on top.
Wow, I better run home. I can't wait to see what it is. It's not even my birthday.
Boy, did I prank her. She fell for that. I wish I could see her face when she realizes it was just a prank.
Oh boy, Billy Joe, you're in trouble.
Billy, did I hear you say that you pranked Ellie?
Yes, I told her that her mom was looking for her and had a big gift for her, and she totally fell for it.
So it's not true?
No, it's just a prank. There's no gift.
Billy, that is not right, and that is also not funny. That is telling a lie, and you know what the Bible says about lying.
Well, it was just a little lie. It was a joke.
Billy, you lied to me. My store was not on fire. It was fine. I don't appreciate practical jokes like that. You almost gave me a heart attack. Don't ever do that again, okay?
Billy Joe, you told another lie? See, Billy, for the person getting pranked, it's not fun.
I'm sorry, Mr. Wilson.
Billy, you lied to me. My mom did not have a present for me. Plus, I woke her up from her nap and she's not happy with me. Don't ever do that again.
I'm sorry, Ellie. I guess pranks are not a good idea.
Yeah, what if you got pranked?
Hey guys, I was in the neighborhood. What's all this fuss about?
Billy has been pranking people and they did not like that.
Now, Billy, it's not wise at all to tell people things that are not true and call it a joke or a prank.
Right.
That reminds me of a classic story of a little boy who cried wolf.
What about that story, Pastor Jay?
Well, let me just tell you, Susie, there was a shepherd boy watching his sheep. He thought it'd be all fun to prank the people in the town. He yelled, "Help, wolf, wolf!" And they came to help. When they saw there was no wolf, the shepherd boy laughed and thought it was funny, just like Billy did a couple minutes ago. The next day, he did the same thing. He cried, "Woof, woof!" And here they came, helping him again. He laughed and laughed, and they were all upset with him. The next day, you won't believe what there was. A real live wolf.
Oh boy.
And he cried, "Help! Help, a wolf!" But this time, nobody came. They thought it was just another trick, because no one came to help. The wolf snatched one of his sheep.
Oh. Yikes. Billy
Oh no, poor little sheep.
Yeah, that's just a fake story, boys and girls. But it's still a good story because it's not a good idea to prank others, So no one will believe you when you actually are telling the truth.
That's right.
You are so right, Pastor Jay. I will not be doing that again. Ellie, Mr. Wilson, will you please forgive me?
Yes, I forgive you, Billy.
Yes, I forgive you, Billy.
Having friends is a great thing. I do not want to betray their trust. From now on, when I tell you something, it will be the truth. No more pranking for me.
Give me a hug, Billy.
Oh.
I love you guys so much. Like I said, my name is Pastor Jamal. I don't want to come here sometimes, but I just love this church and what they've done for me. So thank you guys. I
It's good to
appreciate
see
you.
you.
We'll see you.
Okay.
I'll probably see you in a few months. Okay, everybody.
All right,
Have a good
okay.
one. Have a
You
good
too.
one. Bye-bye.
Oh, is it over? Okay, good job, Billy Joe.
Thank you.
Glad you learned that.
Nobody prank. They don't want a wolf eating them.
Oh, yeah. Hey, stay